Good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain you chapter 4 of class 9, linear equations in two variable. First we will understand what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable. You have already studied in your class 8. So see here equations. What is the meaning of equations? 3x equal to 5, 2x plus 3 equal to 5, x equal to 5. Here these all are the equations. This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Okay, because here variable is only x. Now understand the meaning of linear. What is the meaning of linear? Linear means degree of variable is 1. For example, ax plus b equal to c, where a, b and c are real number. It means a, b, c की जगह कुछ वैल्यू आपको पुट अप करनी है. Here a not equal to 0, because if a equal to 0 then variable is not there. Okay, so let us take a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. Put this value in the format of linear equation in one variable. A equal to 1, 1x, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. This is called linear equation in one variable. Now understand the meaning of linear equation in two variable. Okay, this is the basic of two variable. X plus by plus c equal to 0. Here x and y are variable. A, b and c are real number. Here a not equal to 0, b also not equal to 0. Because if both the value are 0, then variable is not there. Okay, so it is not possible. Let us take a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. Put this value in this format. A equal to 1x, b equal to 2y and c equal to 3. This is the linear equation in two variable, because here there are two variable x and y. I am studying exercise 4.1. So read the question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. It means इस प्रॉब्लम के अंदर आप लोगों को दो क्वांटिटी के बारे में बताया गया है, नोटबुक एंड पेन. Hint is also given. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees x and that of a pen to be rupees y. आप लोगों को नोटबुक और पेन के लिए वेरिएबल x और y अलॉट किया गया है. So let the cost of notebook be rupees x and the cost of a pen be rupees y. Okay, now according to question. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, इट मीन्स क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको वापस से क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है. कॉस्ट ऑफ ए नोटबुक के लिए वेरिएबल क्या लिया आप लोगों ने? x. पुट हियर x इज मींस इक्वल, ट्वाइस मींस डबल द कॉस्ट ऑफ ए पेन. पेन के लिए वेरिएबल क्या लिया आप लोगों ने? y. सो इक्वेशन इज x इक्वल टू 2y. दिस इज कॉल्ड लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. वी कैन राइट एज x माइनस 2y equal to 0. Okay, I am starting question number 2. Express the following linear equations in the form x plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b, c in each case. It means इस क्वेश्चन में आप लोगों को 8 पार्ट दिए गए हैं. इसमें ये लिनियर इक्वेशन आपके पास ये होने दो वेरिएबल में. इस इक्वेशन को कन्वर्ट करना होगा आपको इस फॉर्म के अंदर, x प्लस डी वाई प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0. उसके बाद आप लोगों को फाइंड करना है ए, बी एंड सी. तो सी 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 0. कंपेयर विथ x plus by plus c 0. with variable x, a equal to 2, then b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 9.35 bar. Okay, this is the answer. See second part. This equation is already arranged in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0, so no need to convert. Directly compare. Compare with x plus by plus equal to 0. Now compare variable x. Here I am writing as 1, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 by 5. Here no number is there, it means we can say 1, and the last c equal to minus 10. See here, third part we will solve. Okay, now see a fourth part, x equal to 3y. This equation is arranged in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0. Here c is not there, so write as 0. X minus by plus 0 equal to 0. Now compare with x plus by plus c equal to 0. So see here, there is no number, I am writing as 1, equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 0. So see here, fifth part we have to solve, same as fourth part. Now come to question number sixth part, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here only variable x is there, y is not present. So how to write c? 3x plus 0 dot y plus 2 equal to 0. अगर कोई वेरिएबल प्रेजेंट नहीं तो कैसे लिखोगे आप उसको? 0 के साथ लिखोगे, 0 डॉट y. नाउ कंपेयर विथ x plus by plus equal to 0. So a equal to 3, b equal to 0 and c equal to 2. A equal to 3, b equal to 0 and c equal to 2. See here, seventh part, y minus 2 equal to 0. Here also variable x is not there, so write as 0 dot x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Compare with x plus by plus c equal to 0. So see here, a equal to 0, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2. Okay, come to the last part, 5 equal to 2x. Here equation is not arranged and y variable is not present, so arrange in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0. 2x plus 0 dot y plus 5 equal to 0. Compare with x plus by plus c equal to 0. A equal to 2, b equal to 0, and c equal to 5. Okay.